Hi guys, welcome to Tactile channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a contact form in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login, you will find here a search bar. Just click and write contact form and press enter. After pressing enter, you will find here many contact forms. Okay, so here I can found one, the contact us form. You can edit this by going customize this template. Here's your template is ready to be customized. Now zoom it by clicking on Ctrl plus up scroll. It will zoom like this. Then you can see here contact us. If you don't like the picture background, just click on backspace, it will be removed. Now if you want to click add another color by going here color, and you can choose another color like this, blue, whatever, any color you can choose. So here's the contact us the form. If you want to add your phone number, just double click and write your phone number here. Here's the email address @gmail.com. Here's the anywhere street, blah blah blah. Here's the real estate, your www.yourcompanyname.com. Okay, so simple. If you don't like this blue background, you can change it by going here, make it pink, make it any color you want, violet or whatever. So after completing work, you can send this work direct via mail. How? Just go here, share, you'll find collaboration link, click on this, and you have to make it anyone with the link. Then just write here the email address whom you want to share it @gmail.com. Now if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so you can download this work if you want. Just going here share, and you'll find here download, click on download, and you'll be suggested for file type. Just choose the file type, the suggested one, and download the form here. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.